hanging with us and watch old movie from the 60s. Guess, Sarah, Sarah, whatever will be, will be. Welcome to the Thrills couple. We are doing the pit boxing. Come on, sing. Woo! How about me singing you a song? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Look at her. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. When I'm singing. When I was young, I asked my mama, what will I be? Shall I be a bird? Shall I be a bird? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. When I was young, I asked my mommy, what shall I be? Shall I be a pretty bird? Shall I be a pretty bird? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. I'll be a pretty hazel bird. Que sera, sera.
Your singing gets her active.
Hazel bird is such a pretty bird. That's why I love her. She's a sweet bird and very pretty bird. She likes to sing with Auntie. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. When I first saw my hazel bird, I was amazed because she's very sweet. That makes me happy. That she loves me too, or that she loves me too. Here's what I think she'll say. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. Our pretty Hazel loves me too, 'cause we love her too. She's a sweet bird that stays with us for a week, because Daddy's out of town. She said she's fine She wants to be here 'cause we love her too. Just like how Daddy loves her. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. We love our pretty Hazel 'cause she's a very sweet bird. When I lay down on the couch with my man, the pretty bird named Hazel is with us. She likes hanging with us and watch old movie from the 60s. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. Our pretty Hazel who is very loved 'cause she's very sweet to us. Now her advice to other parrot bird out there to be very sweet to their family so they can have the treatment like Hazel pretty bird has got. Que sera, sera. She loves to sit here with us and sing with us 'cause she's a pretty bird. You are a pretty bird. I love you. We love pretty Hazel 'cause she's a very sweet, sweet bird. She likes singing with Aunt Juliet.
And she forgot all about me.
And she forgot Uncle Terry.
She likes to be sang to.
What song do you want to sing? Like a bird song. I love you. Come on, Hazel, let's sing. The Barney song. I'm not sure if you watch cartoon, but there's a Barney song. It's a very nice song. Sit here. Come on here. Come on, move here. I love you. You love me. We are happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you. I love you. I love you. When I first met my new pretty Hazel bird, I was in love with her 'cause she's so adorable and she's so sweet. That's why everybody loves her. She likes to sing with Aunt Juliet and pecking at her or braiding her hair. That's a nice massage, darling. Thank you.